You cut down my forests to build up your towns. You strip all my ores and tear up the ground. Your refuse flows on the rain into my lakes. You consume and you burn, never give, only take. Nature has had it, it yearns to be free. The world's life force flows into me. It's named me its champion, I will stand tall. The very mountains will crumble before I will fall. The power of tooth and claw, the power of sun and moon, the power of fire and storm. The Druid's power is born. Sacred plants in the garden, sacred wood in my hands. My druidic circle gives me the powers to defend the land. I can wild shape into a beast. A timeless body means I won't age in the least. The circle of spores show me the truth of decay. Circle of wildfire destroys to build a new way. The circle of the stars harness the cosmos power. The circle of the moon allows me to change shape by the hour. The power of tooth and claw, the power of sun and moon, the power of fire and storm. The Druid's power is born. Once fire elementals tried to burn down my woods. A tidal wave changed their mind for good. Aberrations defy nature, I'll kill them on sight. An angry druid can give even a beholder a fright. I can create a storm of vengeance to bend to my will. Its power rages on until my enemies are still trying to build a lair for evil to spread. My earthquake will collapse it and stop your plans dead. The power of two.